I'm Saidit and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's I'll try to do the speed test comparison between the Realme X7 Max versus the Mi 11X device. As you can see friends, so this is the same kind of speed test which I did before as well, using the same kind of applications with the Realme X7 Pro versus X7 Max and IQ7 versus X7 Max. So make sure to check those videos friends in case if you want to know how is the speed test comparison with other smartphones. So definitely I'll be keeping you update regarding the Dimensity 1200, how it's handling in terms of the multitasking and RAM management when compared with the Snapdragon processors. So these are the 15 applications which I'll be right now using in this kind of speed test comparison. And during this time I did try to connect to the same Wi-Fi network in both phones. Let me try to quickly show you. As you can see friends, both phones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network as well. And another thing is that both displays are 120 Hz refresh rate turned on. Let me try to quickly show you the settings what it's available right now. As you can clearly see friends, so both displays of 120 Hz are turned on, so there should not be any kind of problem for you in case if you experience any kind of slow. So both phones are completely set to the equal. So now let's see friends, which phone will be having the better kind of RAM management and faster app opening response time as well. That is a really interesting thing. So and let's get started with the first application, which is a Google Chrome application. So let me try to change the camera angle a little bit. So now let's see friends, which phone will be opening the first application, which is the Google Chrome application. So in case if you want me to increase the count, to make sure to comment below friends. Definitely I'll try to increase the number of applications from next time, but right now I'm trying to use only 15 basic applications which has been recommended by most of the users. That is the reason I'm trying to use a little bit kind of only 15 applications. So in case if you want 20 applications, I can do that maybe from next time. So let me turn on even the navigation buttons in the Mi 11X as well, so which will be kind of easy for me. So now both phones are having the same kind of navigation bar buttons, as you can clearly see friends. Let me try to go back and try to open the WhatsApp at same time. So both did open at same time. Let me try to enter some kind of number here. I'm trying to enter some kind of number, and I'm trying to keep in the background memory as well. So let me try to open the Instagram. So both did open in the Instagram properly. Let me try to enter the same kind of thing. I'm trying to enter some number in both phones. And next is Flipkart. So let's see which phone will be able to load first. The Max did load the Flipkart application first, as you can clearly see friends, and both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That is another thing if you want to notice. And next is Amazon application. So even the Amazon application got loaded first on the Realme X7 Max device. You can clearly see here. And the YouTube, let's see which phone will be able to open YouTube. I think YouTube kind of both phones are kind of same to each other in terms of the YouTube opening time. And let's see the speed test. So let's see friends, in the speed test which phone will be able to open faster. I think both are kind of same. Let me try to do the speed test right now by using the same kind of Wi-Fi connection. Let's test at same time. I'm trying to do this test at same time, connecting to the same Wi-Fi network, as you can see friends. So right now I'm getting more on the Mi 11X in the beginning, but later on the Realme X7 Max has got slightly higher speeds, but 40 Mbps. So right now it is also started to increase. I'm just trying to keep this course in the background for the RAM management purpose only. So I'll try to include in case if you want me to include any other special applications, so make sure to comment below. I can try to include other applications for you. So right now the upload speeds is going to get completed. So once this has been completed, I'll try to go back. So I think still this phone is going on the Mi 11X device. So done, and let's go to the next application. Next is a Play Store. Play Store, both phones did load at same time, nothing much difference. Let me try to keep open this applications in the background for the memory. And next is camera application. As you can see friends, camera as well. So I'll try to keep video mode in the background. So usually the photo will be opened every time. I'll try to keep the video mode in the background. So next is Facebook. Let me try to type something in the Facebook. So next is Amazon Prime Video. Realme did open faster than the Mi 11X device. So Mi 11X device is slightly taking some time. I think it's loading my profile, that is why it took some kind of time in the Mi 11X device. That is what I can understand that. So next is Gaana. Gaana did open in the Realme first. This kind of ad we did see in the Realme first, then the Mi 11X device. So next is Myntra. Realme first, as you can see friends. So most of the applications it's getting reloaded first in the Realme, as you can clearly see friends. So now let me try to go back and G5 application. Let's see which phone will be able to. As you can see, the Realme did open first, then the Mi 11X device. So both are connected to same Wi-Fi network friends, but still I'm experiencing this kind of difference. Let me try to quickly show you. As you can see, both are connected to same Wi-Fi network. So you should that kind of doubt that which are not connected to the Wi-Fi or not. So that is the reason I'm trying to show you exactly both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network only. Let me try to open the last application, which is a Zoom. Sorry, my bad. Let me try to go back and close it. Close the settings. Yep, now yeah, settings is also closed. So Zoom application, let's see which phone will be able to, both phones did open faster, so not much issues. So let me try to do the Zoom application again. So before the Zoom application was added into the Game Turbo, so I need to delete this application from the Game Turbo. So both are kind of same. So the reason I added the Zoom application in the Game Turbo because to have the voice changer feature. So make sure to check those videos in case if you haven't know how to do the voice changer using the Zoom, you can do that. So right now both phones are open, all the applications in the background, as you can clearly see, friends. You can see the Google Chrome application at the end, you can clearly see, and few of the applications slightly blurred because there is an inbuilt feature which is present here. So do not preview the background application in the multitasking application. That is what I'm trying to use those applications. So let's see the Google Chrome first. So both did open the Google Chrome very good, so no issues in terms of the Google Chrome. So next application is the WhatsApp. Both are kind of same, so everything stored in the memory, no issues. So next is Instagram. Also same, friends, as you can clearly see, so no issues in terms of the Instagram as well. So next Flipkart. As you can see, Flipkart is also really good. I think I should have included more applications, then we would have got a clear idea. As you can see, so 15 applications I think should be kind of fine. So in both phones it should not be a big problem, friends, for you, a lot of users, in case if they are trying to use. As you can see, both are easily they are trying to handle the Dimensity 1200 and the this process Snapdragon 870 chipset, which is really powerful. Both processors pretty good, and both are exactly, this remains exactly in the video, and the Mi11X change it to the photo mode. That is the one thing which I thought of mentioning in the RAM management thing. Next is Facebook. Both are same, no issues. So next Amazon Prime. Yes, both are kind of same, no issues. And Ghana. Yes, both are kind of same, they did not get loaded. And Myntra, as you can see, friends, both are same, no issues. And next is ZEE5. Yes, ZEE5 also got loaded first. And next is Zoom application. Yes, so Zoom also got it loaded first. So in this test we can understand that if you are trying to use for everyday task, both phones you will not make much difference in terms of the multitasking and the RAM management. So this is just a basic everyday user, normal user who is using the phone every day, that's it. Not any gaming, I did not include any kind of gamings. So that gaming part will be something different which I'll try to include later, because if I try to include the games and applications, some users they did complain that games will definitely clear all the background applications. So that's why they did ask me to do separate videos. So that is the reason I did spend this time for only for the applications, and next video for the games. So stay tuned for that video, friends, in case if you're interested. And thank you for watching this video, and make sure to hit the subscribe and like this video in case if you love this kind of unique contents in my channel. And don't forget to check out this epic comparison videos, so which I do every day in testing the battery life and display and touch sampling rate. So make sure to check those videos, which will be really interesting to watch. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.